Hello there. In this video we will go through how to create backups and automatic backups on your server. First of all, go to witherpanel.com and click Manage on the server you want to do this on. Firstly, I'm going to stop my server to make sure all the files are closed correctly. Then I'm going to go to the Backups tab and click Create Backup. I'll give the backup a name and then I'll click Start Backup. If I want to ignore any files or directories, for example, a big core protect database or dinmap map files, then you can add the directories or files in this box here, and they will not be backed up. Then click Start Backup. The backup will start and it will have this loading icon whilst the backup is being created. Once the backup has been created, this loading icon will disappear. You can see the backup's been created now. We can see that it's 257 megabytes. Clicking the three dots on the right, you can see multiple options. To delete the backup, click the delete button. To restore the files in the backup onto your server, click restore. Or to download the backup to your computer, click download. Now we have covered that, we will show you how to create automatic backups on your server. Firstly, go to the Schedules tab and click Create Schedule. For schedule name, I'm just going to give it Auto Backup, doesn't matter what you call it. Now we decide how often we want the backup to run. Toggling Show Cheat Sheet will bring up a helpful table of the different cron times we can enter. I want my backup to run every 24 hours, so in the hour box I'm going to do */24, which means every 24 hours. Then I'm going to disable only when server is online because I want the backups to run anyway, and the schedule should be enabled. Then click Create Schedule. Click onto the schedule here, then click New Task. The first action I'm going to run is a command to broadcast a message on the server explaining that it's about to go offline for a backup. If you have players on your server when the backup starts, this will warn them that the server is about to shut down to do so. So the say command broadcasts the message to the server, then server will be stopping in 10 seconds. Click Create Task, then add a new task, change the action to Send Power Action, and change the payload to stop the server. Then add a time offset of 10 seconds. This is the amount of time to wait after the previous task executes before running this one. This allows us to have the 10-second delay we warned the players about. Then click Create Task. Then click New Task again, and change action to Create Backup. Put any ignored files you want in here, same as a regular backup, then click Create Task. Then we can start your server by clicking New Task, Action, Send Power Action, and Start the server. Then click Create Task. To show that this works, I have gone ahead and restarted my server. And to test the schedule, I'm now going to click Run Now. You can see it says Processing, and going to the Console tab, we can see that the warning message has been broadcast successfully. 10 seconds later, the server stops, and then, going to the Backups tab, we can see that the backup here has been created. In the name is the date and time that the backup was created. Going back to the Console tab, we should see that our server starts automatically, and now the server is starting back up. This means that the automatic backup has executed successfully. If you have any questions about this, feel free to open a live chat by clicking the chat button in the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and thanks for using WitherHosting.